Yeah, good morning, my relatives. The air quality in DC is pretty bad this morning. Just thought I'd come and take a few shots down by the Capitol. If you look down this way, the Washington Monument is literally is right there, but you can't see it from here because of all the all the smoke today. But that is where the Washington Monument normally is. And you can see it's completely covered by the smoke today. It is the parts of DC, the air quality is actually over 300. A lot of places around 250. But yeah, this is really fascinating to see how bad it is here. But just thought I'd show it to people. We need to take climate change seriously, my relatives. We have to do better. We can do better. Walk in beauty. And may we all learn how to walk in beauty together. Ako na.